VIT Bhopal University is envisioned with a new global outlook to empower its aspirants to achieve excellence through learning. The comprehensive teaching methodology designed by the university redefines the approach to learning, educating, and building knowledge-based societies in the country. With dreams and ambitions encoded in our veins, the core branch of School of Computer Science and Engineering welcomes you to VIT Bhopal.
Hello everyone, Dr. Bashira Rahman here from VIT University Bhopal campus, Madhya Pradesh. I would like to share few things with you. Firstly, my university. Yes, VIT University Bhopal campus. It is located in central India between Indore and Bhopal highway. You can reach us from both the airports, Bhopal as well as Indore. The prime location of my university is wonderful Greenland, which is full of natural scenery. Secondly, I would like to share few words related to the subject which is studied by our BTech Computer Science and Engineering students. It is Internet and Web Programming. Let me discuss about the importance of the subject. At present scenario, it is observed that life without internet cannot be imagined. Before COVID-19, people wanted to know the technology, so they started working with various social media tools, apps and chats in order to use the technology or maybe familiar with the usage of the various apps. After COVID-19, everyone started to work with internet due to the only one source or the option which was available to share the resources and the knowledge. We are observing that the concept of IT industry work from home was started to implement by every field except few due to this pandemic situation to keep the social distancing and to stay safe. We can see right from the kindergarten schools to the higher education systems, it is carried out in the online mode. It is very difficult to estimate the boundary of the internet. If you realize the reason, every second, millions of people remain connected to the internet. In fact, life without internet can't be imagined by anybody irrespective of the age. It has become the significant part of our life. The study of internet and web programming by our student is carried out the different tools, techniques which are supporting to operate the internet, the various protocols, web browsers, web servers and everything as a whole. In fact, the complete web architecture including the URL, DNS, how to set, create and design it. Not only that, they also learn how to design the attractive and interactive websites with the appropriate validation and verification using XML, AJAX, JavaScript and jQuery. Last but not least, they are also learning the database connectivity in order to store the data for the future reference. So it is a wonderful subject that everyone must know how the internet is being functioning and what are all the things are happening, how to design the website and everything. Thank you.
The biggest and the most dynamic branch of our college, under the supervision of our program chair, Dr. Sandeep Mal, had organized various competitions, workshops and seminars in order to introduce students to the latest trends and demands of the market. The curriculum of the branch ensures all important aspects required to be the best. The branch focuses on problem-solving skills and provides us with an opportunity to learn advanced courses such as mobile app development and Python.
Hi all, this is Dr. L. Sadish Kumar. So last 2 years I am taking data structure and algorithms for our students. The importance of data structure is we can segregate two phases. One is the general purpose, another one thing is the student placement purpose. In general purpose, across the world, day by day we creating more and more data. So as of now, we have in our hand huge data. but the data recover and pre-process, these techniques are very, very less as of now our situation. So once we pre-process the data or retrieve the useful information from big data, so with the help of data structure only we can do. And another purpose is for student placement purpose. In topmost companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon and Flipkart, so although these companies are recruiting their employee in first round of interview, they are asking from data structure question. They are testing based on the data structure. One student having the data structure concept or knowledge about the data structure, they can immediately recruit for their employee. So these all are important. We have to learn before whatever your programming language you are learning. It doesn't matter. You have to learn data structure. So without learning of data structure, you cannot give any solution using any kind of programming languages. And what is data structure? The data structure is nothing but so how the data we stored in a particular place and how to retrieve that. So these processes are called data structures. And the algorithm is once you store data now we have to manipulate that. We have to fetch and map and extract and have some doing some more process. So we have to execute some task with efficient way. So these ways of efficiency of a set of rules and regulations is called algorithms. The applications of data structure we can say array, list, queue and linked lists and trees, graph. These so many applications there. Using these applications we can store the data in such manner. An algorithm is we can say sorting algorithm and searching algorithm. So many algorithm is there. And what are the way we want to give the solution for particular algorithm, particular problem, can use the data structures and algorithm in better way. And I'm always be here guys, come and join here and learn with fun. Thank you so much.
To enhance our technical skills, the branch had also conducted internal hackathon for Smart India Hackathon 2019. 28 teams from different branches participated in the event to qualify for the Smart India Hackathon. Various students of our branch are currently working on different projects and internships with many reputed companies. You can find many apps created by our CSE course students on your Play Store.
Use of Android application has increased exponentially nowadays. It created a huge job market in industries. But industries are failed to recruit that much Android developer from campus interview all over the world for the shortage of the Android app developer. By keeping eye on this deficiency, we introduced mobile application development course for all CSE students as an elective subject to make them ready for the industry. This course now become most popular and demanding subject at VIT Bhopal. The small real-time chat application was developed by our student using Android Studio in classroom as a challenging task. Students developed lot of similar applications and released their application in Google Play Store. We also have Android Club where members work for community services and mobile application based startup companies. Club members also give lot of exposure to other students to bring their new ideas for the community services and transform their ideas in the application. Thank you.
During the pandemic, the CSE Core branch has organized an online hackathon, HackerWit 2020, a national level online hackathon which aimed at helping people during the time of the pandemic. Undergraduate students from 127 institutions and 19 different states participated in the event and exhibited their skills under various domains. Jury members included eminent leaders from companies like Google, Microsoft, Philips, Thomson Reuters, Robert Bosch, ThoughtWorks and Stealthmode. The total winning prize of Rs 50,000 was distributed amongst the winners.
If you want to explore the beauty of new technology, then this is the right place for you.